chapter 4, Noah, of 5, Nuh. وَأُوحِيَ إِلَى نُوحٍ أَنَّهُ لَنْ يُؤْمِنَ مِنْ قَوْمِكَ إِلَّا مَنْ قَدْ آمَنَ فَلَا تَبْتَئِسْ بِمَا كَانُوا يَفْعَلُونَ وَاصْنَعِ الْفُلْكَ بِأَعْيُنِنَا وَوَحْيِنَا وَلَا تُخَاطِبْنِي فِي الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا إِنَّهُم مُّغْرَقُونَ وَيَصْنَعُ الْفُلْكَ وَكُلَّمَا مَرَّ عَلَيْهِ مَلَأٌ من قومه سخروا منه قال Surah 11, ayat 36 to 48. And it was revealed unto Noah, none shall believe amongst thy people, save those who believed already. Therefore grieve not for what they do, build an ark under our eyes and at our inspiration, and talk no more to me about the ungodly. They will perish submerged. He set to building the ark, and each time a party of his people passed by him, they jeered at him. Noah said to them, if you إن تسخروا منا فإنا نسخر منكم كما تسخرون فسوف تعلمون من يأتيه عذاب يخزيه ويحل عليه عذاب مقيم حتى إذا جاء أمرنا وفرطنا قلنا احمل فيها من كل زوجين اثنين وأهلك إلا من سبق عليه القول ومن آمن وما من معه إلا قليل وقال اركبوا فيها بسم الله مجراها ومرساها إن ربي لغفور رحيم وهي تجري بهم في موج كالجبال ونرى نوحا ابنه وكان في معزل يا بني اركب معنا ولا تكن مع الكافرين قال ساوي إلى jesting at us, we will jest at you, even as you are jesting. You will soon learn on whom will fall a shameful punishment and everlasting torment. When at length our order was given, and water gushed out of the baker's oven, which was a sign unto Noah, well, it flowed over the side of something. Sounds like the Black Sea flood, right? About 9,200 years ago. We sent to Noah, load in this vessel a couple of each kind, thy family, save those who are already the object of a decision, and those who believe, but few were who had believed with Noah. Noah said, go on board the ark, in the name of God, let its course be set, and its mooring. God is forgiving and merciful. The ark floated on with them amid waves as huge as mountains. Noah cried to his son, who had remained on land, literally aside. Oh, my son, he exclaimed, come aboard with us. and stay not with the misbelievers. I will ha jabalin yasemuni minal ma'i qala la asimal yawma min amrillahi imaman rahima wa hala bainahum mawju fakana minal mawraqin wa qila yardu lai make waya samaru aklei aklei wangi mau waqudiyal amru wastawat alal juray waqila buwaran qawmi zalimin wanada nuhun rabbahu faqala rabbi innabni min ahli wa inna wa'adakal haqu wa anta ahkamul hakimin qala ya nuhu innahu laysa min ahlika innahu amalun ghairu salihin fala tas'alanni ma laysa laka bihi ilmun inni a'izuka an takuna minal jahilin qala rabbi inni a'udzu bika an as'alaka ma laysa li bihi. Seek safety upon a mountain that shall save me from the water, he replied. Noah said, none will be saved today from the judgment of God except those on whom he may take mercy. The waves came between them, and his son was among the drowned. It was said, O earth, swallow down thy water. O heaven, hold. The level of the water went down. The judgment of God was accomplished. The ark grounded on the Mount Judy, which may be placed near Mosul. So it was one of the mountains of Ararat, but it was much lower than Ararat. One of the ones that actually got water when the isthmus broke. It was said to the devil with a people who are unjust. And Noah, speaking to his Lord, said, my Lord, my son was of my people. Thy promise is always true, and thou art the justest of judges. God answered, O Noah, he was not of thy people. He has done bad works. Ask no questions about that of which thou knowest not. I warned thee that thou shouldest not be of the ignorant. Noah replied, my Lord, withhold me from questioning thee about that of which I know not, unless thou dost forgive. Ilmun ma la tangfir li wa tarhamni akun minal khasirin qila ya nuhu bit bisalamin minna wa barakatun alayka wal ummamin mimman maka wal mamin sanumate bimayam masum minadabun alim. Me and have mercy on me. I shall be of those who lose. O Noah, it was said, set thy feet on land with our greeting and our blessing upon thee and thy people, to which those who are with thee give birth. But there are some we will allow to enjoy the goods of this world, and who afterwards will receive from us grievous punishment.